fam, thank you for coming back and watching another one of my videos. If this is your first time, welcome, and after you have watched the video, please go ahead and subscribe and like and become a part of this family. If you are already a family member, I love and appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Mwah! Okay, family, supplies you will need for this tutorial are one large foam ball, and as you can see, I am reusing this foam ball. You need about 5 bunches of flowers, 2 strings of lights, 2 LED lights, 2 candle holders, 2 tea lights, 1 long glass vase or vase, 1 large mirror, some acrylic beads, diamond wrap, some acrylic decorations, scissors, and glue gun. You ready? Let's get started. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is glue our flowers onto the foam ball. Now we're going to add our lights, and we're just going to put it right inside of the flowers. Just right on the top. Now I'm going to cut about 8 of these little rose petals or little stems off of the flowers. One more. Now what we're going to do is we're going to glue our acrylic bead right in the center of our foam ball. Woo! Glue everywhere. Okay, now we're going to take our diamond wrap and we're going to measure it around the top of the vase. Cut it out. Gonna glue it right at the top. And we're going to put a piece right at the bottom, measure it, cut it out, then glue it. Glue it onto the vase. Okay. Next, we're going to drop our string of lights right down into the vase. Okay. Now we're going to put our flowers on top of the vase. Let's do it this way. We're going to take some glue, put it back here, and we're just going to glue it to the vase. Okay, we're going to take our candle holders, put them right on the side of our vase, turn our tea lights on, drop them in our candle holders. We're going to take our decorative acrylic beads and we're going to put some glue on it. We're going to glue it right on the foam ball. We're going to take our LED lights and we're just going to place them right on top of the mirrors. Turn our lights on. Finish. I hope you like this tutorial. I hope you come back for more of our videos. Thank you. Okay fam, it's sharing time. I'm going to share with you 5 great purchases I made from the 99-cent store. You ready? The first purchase I made was this beautiful kids watch. It was $1.99. I got this nail set. It's really pretty for 99 cents. It has a nail polish, the bling, and a little stickers that you can put on your fingernails. 2 candle holders. I got these beautiful flowers. They came in 2 colors. I'm trying to separate. Well, I won't need to separate. You can see it. The violet, and it came with a little bling on it, and a little orange. And they have at least 5 roses on each stem. Got 9 stems of flowers. And I also got 2 of the water spray fans. Good for the summer. Put water in it, spray, and it comes with, you have to put 2 AA batteries in it. Okay, that is 5 purchases I made from the 99-cent store. I hope you like it. Hope you liked this tutorial. Please come back and watch another one of my videos. Thank you, fam, for watching. Bye-bye.